Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all. So we got first straight hair with waves on TikTok. I don't think you the first one, my boy. I don't think you the first one, but let me. Is that a shirt? Oh, snap. Yo, them things in there, bruh. What you do? Did you do a wash and style? I want to see the process, bro. Let me see. You spinning, boy. What you working with? What you get? Yo. I want to see some dope waves. Watch this. Watch this. Let me move out the way real quick. Watch the unrag, man. Sheesh. Y'all see that little rag right there to protect the crown? Even though the crown needs just a little more work, but yo, y'all be saying girls, wearing weaves and makeup and junk. Fellas, y'all need to stop this. What happened in there? Well, what is that? How did this happen? What kind of sorcery you on, man? What is going on? Alright, y'all, this is a co-wash, but wait, before we get into this video, why does that detangling shower brush, why does it have water coming out of it? That looks dope. But yeah, co-wash is short for conditioner washing. If you don't want to wash with shampoo, just add some conditioner and wash your hair with it. Alright, you guys, so this is part 1. So I'm guessing we're not going to get an unrag, so we're just going to see a washing style. Yo, it's really hard to see the lather when you got blonde hair, so I don't see no lather, man. It's probably in there somewhere, but I just don't see it. What the? You about to put some protein in there? It look like a protein, like a whey protein shake, something like that. But I still don't see no lather, even though it's probably in there, but I can't see it. My eyes is lying to me right now. I mean, I can't tell you if you got an immaculate lather because I can't see. You feel me? But the hair looks pretty laid, I guess. Part 2? Yeah, this is crazy. Y'all see the cut, right? Looking fire, looking fire. This is why. I'm going to tell y'all after. This is why I don't like blackout, man. Blackout got you looking crispy, nice, bring your hairline back. But then when you wash your junk, you feel me? When you get a washing style and that's junk gone. And you back to looking bald and junk, like, bruh, don't give me no blackout, man. That's mess. Naps to waves, let's get it. What's your hair? That's the first step. Good. What's your hair? What's next? You gotta apply the shampoo. Yes, sir. Woo! That's the first wash. Why the lather look so good? Oh, so you going 720? Not even 720. That's like 540, 720 is. That's like 540, yeah. That's the pattern you doing. That's a little hard. That's all you did? What a brush at? You just gonna go with the detangling shop? Watch me get super soaker water wet whiz and 15 seconds. That rhyme, yo. Felt like a rapper for a second. But yo, wet your hair. Apply the shampoo. He said 15 seconds, bro. This video past 15 seconds. What you talking about? And the lather not even, bruh. Get your lather up, man. Get your lather up, bro. I see some noodles, but the lather not in there. That's the first wash. That means you gotta rinse that out and then come in with a second wash. So the lather can look a lot better because you probably still got some dirt in there, man. You was brushing dirt, but you spinning though. I see some great shine.
Some people from where you tell me, boy, yo,
what?
We as them gone in already, we as no more. Remember that stink like?
Yeah. Just do the weight check, man. Yeah, just do the weight check. Okay. You better not take too long because only elite wavers take too long. I just take it off. Cause I know you ain't spinning like that. You better prove me wrong, bro. It don't even look like you wolfing.
Look. Oh my
God.
Oh my God.
Prove me wrong, okay. Got a couple of forks in there, but you spinning, bro. After brush, what we doing? Washing style. Lather in there a little bit. Alright. Use your hands to lay your hair down before you rag up. You should be oh, you brushing some more. Okay. Rag up now. There we go. Rag up. You're supposed to rinse it out, bro. Oh, okay. You scared me a little bit, man. You scared. Throwback to when I had the best waves in the world. Stop playing. Oh, what they at? They alright. They not the best in the world though, but they alright, man. Gotta wolf some more. Alright, y'all. For those of y'all that don't know, this is a crown isolation. Could be a washing style or a clear and lay. Alright, so crown isolation is just when you focus on the crown, but it's only one thing missing. Y'all know what that one thing is? I don't see no noodles. Bro, where the noodles at? Fenu de petite whisk. I'm not even gonna try to read that, man. Got a fro. Guess we're gonna do a fro with the waves, you feel me? Mad do-rags. So I'm guessing you used to have waves before. Oh, now that shampoo came out a little different. Y'all seen that? But yo, great lather, man. That lather look dope. But you definitely gonna have to brush a lot more and add a lot more shampoo and a lot more water if you wanna lay your hair down. Your hair's not laid to the max, you feel me? You ragged up a little too early, but you definitely in there. Hey, TikTok. For everyone that thinks only guys could be spinning like this, look at that. That's a female waver. You feel me? Not only guys could be spinning like this. I guess this is a part 2. So we missed all the the earlier parts. What you applying more shampoo for? Oh, okay, you applying it on the do-rag. Alright. I guess that gives you that extra layer you're looking for. But hope we get an unrag in this video, man. You feel me? Okay, rinse it out. Oh, we getting an unrag. Okay. It looks good. It looks good. I don't know, man.